Hey there, fellow gardeners. Ever wonder why your tomato plants aren't thriving like last year? There's a hidden danger in your soil that can sneak up on even the most experienced growers. Let's dig into what's happening beneath the surface and how you can fix it for good. Found the perfect spot for your tomatoes? Think again. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, depleting soil nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Replanting them in the same spot leads to soil fatigue, making new plants struggle. Worse, it invites pests and diseases like fusarium and verticillium wilts. Root knot nematodes, tiny root vampires, thrive, stunting plant growth. Replanting tomatoes in the same spot builds a permanent home for these pests. The soil becomes a hotspot of disease, a trap for your next tomato plant. It's a cycle of decline that gets harder to break each season. Break the cycle by rotating your crops and giving your soil a chance to recover. How do we fight back against soil fatigue? Crop rotation. It's not just shuffling plants, it's a scientific approach to soil health. Rotating crops breaks pest life cycles and restores soil nutrients. Different plants have different root structures and nutrient needs. Rotating families promotes a diverse, resilient, underground microbiome. A diverse microbial community suppresses pathogens naturally. Think of it like diversifying your investments. Less risk, more resilience. By rotating crops, you introduce a variety of root exudates, feeding beneficial microbes. This resets the soil, breaks disease cycles, and builds a healthier garden ecosystem. Ready to rotate your crops? Don't just swap tomatoes for peppers. Both belong to the nightshade family, sharing pests and diseases. Planting another nightshade is like swapping one freeloader for another. To truly rotate, switch to a different plant family. Introduce plants with different nutrient needs and soil relationships. Think legumes or brassicas to change the environment and starve pests. This gives your soil a chance to heal before reintroducing nightshades. What to plant after tomatoes? Legumes are top choice. Beans and peas fix nitrogen, enriching the soil for future crops. Root crops like carrots and beets improve soil structure and draw nutrients from different depths. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach are light feeders, cycling nutrients in upper soil layers. Consider cover crops like clover for a soil spa treatment. They add organic matter, fix nitrogen, and suppress weeds. These options improve soil health and prepare it for future planting. Rotate wisely for a thriving garden. Small garden? No problem. Try container gardening. Use grow bags for tomatoes, controlling the growing medium. Dump old soil into compost and start fresh each year. Rotate soil by planting non-nightshades in old tomato soil. For in-ground beds, rotate in time with cover crops. After tomatoes, sow fast-growing cover crops like buckwheat. Chop and mulch them to feed soil microbes and disrupt pest cycles. Variety is key for a healthy, resilient garden. Let's create a simple rotation plan. Follow a 3 or 4 year cycle, avoiding same family crops in the same spot. Year 1, tomatoes. Year 2, legumes to fix nitrogen. Year 3, root crops to aerate and enrich soil. Year 4, leafy greens for nutrient balance. After 4 years, the soil is ready for tomatoes again. This cycle maintains a healthy, productive garden. Rotate smartly for long-term success. Next season, change your soil's diet for stronger roots and bigger fruit. Rotating crops builds a thriving ecosystem in your backyard. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great harvest. Experiment, learn, and watch your garden flourish. Like, share, and subscribe to Decoded for more soil science insights.